nose talkies. But obviously IMATS ended. We checked out of our hotel in Pasadena, and because we just can't get enough of our little rascal, we're staying with Allie until Wednesday.
They really do love me.
We really do. You guys think we don't?
You know, we knew beforehand from prior experiences that you were all gonna think that they hated me and that they were so mean to me. I don't know why it always appears that way, like I'm alone like all the time. But I just walk fast or slow, so...
Everyone thinks we hate Allie. It's really not true.
They love me.
I know. But yeah, so we are staying with Allie until Wednesday, and it's been so much fun already. Allie's mom is like the sweetest woman on the face of the planet.
I agree.
Like, so sweet. You probably saw the photos that Sarah and I Instagrammed.
Almost as sweet as
that little one. But her mom, like, it was so cute. She, like, on their, like, little chalkboard, it said, "Welcome, Sarah and Megan." And, like, on, oh yeah, Sarah and I, like, hopped onto Allie's, like, you guys have seen her room before. We hopped onto like the smaller bed because I said like Allie's gonna sleep in like the bed she always sleeps in. But yeah, she was like, no, like we're sleeping in Allie's big bed, and her mom had like a water on each side of the bedside tables with like 2 little candies, and she had all these like towels and mini shampoos and like bars of soap on the bed. Like it was like a hotel, and then her like mini fridge was like stocked full of food we liked, which I thought was really sweet. And she's just so nice, and it's been really nice. And her little sister is the cutest thing ever. We're obsessed with Billy. But yeah, so today we are going to Fashion Island / South Coast Plaza, and because we're meeting Justine there. You guys know Justine. We're mixing my 2 worlds, college friends with YouTube friends. So Justine's really excited. Delaney's incredibly jealous. But yeah, I wanted to vlog a little bit there. We think we're gonna film like an outfit of the day or something like artsy and cute, like wannabe Nikki Phillippi, Rachel Tapa, and Ingrid, because we are like the young versions of them, except I think I'm weirder than all of them, but I mean, whatever.
Hey,
we just got macaroons, and now Justine is trying her first ever macaroon. We got it from this little place in Fashion Island. Okay.
I got salted caramel and raspberry. Which one should I try first?
Raspberry. It's definitely the more of the experience. Okay.
I'm kind of scared. You guys scared me. I just bite it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's so much pressure right now. Okay.
3 cameras on her. Okay.
Okay. It's a lot different than I was expecting.
Right?
It's like fruity. Isn't it good?
It's so
I have it
yummy.
all in my teeth now, but...
Okay, hi guys. Allie doesn't like macaroons. So I got myself 2 little ones. I got salted caramel and the almond one, because I like the almond one. Let's try the almond. It's really cute. They're just adorable. You guys need to try them because they're so not what you'd expect.
Like this looks so good to me, but I don't like it.
This is like marzipan in the middle, which kills me. It's so good. We keep eating this, but yeah, that's where we are right now. I did a little bit of nail polish damage at Nordstrom. Got one thing from Inglot. But yeah, get excited for the haul. Oh yeah, Justine bought her first item from MAC.
I bought my first thing. So many like firsts today. Exciting.
First meeting of the gurus. Yay! Cupcake. Oh my gosh, it smells like chocolate and feet. Right? So we are walking around. We just went to Lush.
Yes.
She got
another first.
Yeah, I've never.
Glare at you like. It's
Why are you gonna, you're gonna glare at me like apparently you glared at Megan. Apparently Sarah hates Megan. I guess that's the new YouTube. Oh no, Megan hates Megan.
Megan hates me.
The new YouTube rumor going around.
Wow.
That I'm annoying and that we hate and abuse Allie.
That's okay. And there's also a rumor that I'm really sweet. It's true.
Oh, that one's a lie.
It's beautiful.
Isn't it pretty?
It's called Pink. Go out, buy it.
It's nice.
Smells delicious.
Hi, so we are now going to dinner with Allie's friend Molly. Hi, Molly. Hi. So yeah, we're still deciding where to go. We just did, oh, it's bright. We just did a quick impromptu. I sound like a sex offender. My voice is so bad. We just went to, why are you in focus? Okay. We did an impromptu outfit of the day.
Oh wait, can we stop here?
On the beach. No, Allie.
We can't? Okay.
There's no parking.
Or we could just randomly park it.
No, not again.
I want to take a picture.
Well, we did an impromptu outfit of the day, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy that.
Okay, turn right.
Sarah's a little too harsh on herself.
No, I look like I have a penis.
Okay, you don't.
I know.
Sarah filmed it for me on her super like nice camera, which I'm getting like the T. She's a T3. I'm getting the T4i for my birthday, so I'm really excited. Hey guys, so it is now. What time it is? I don't know what time it is, but we have gotten up. We ate breakfast, all that stuff. We're still at Allie's, and we are going to LA today, and we're gonna go be getting dinner with the Style Hall girls tonight, which I'm really excited for. But I thought I would show you my outfit because I hauled this, and you guys hold it. Hold it. Oh yeah, sure. I showed you guys this outfit and you all wanted me to show you how I was gonna wear it. So I curled my hair with Sarah's like really big curling iron, but I kind of like brushed it out, made it like messy, beachy, because that's what I do. But it's the dress. It's like this bright, crazy neon dress from Urban Outfitters. Got on sale for $9, and I paired it with these Olsen Boy wedges. They're just these black ones, and I kind of liked throwing in the edgy aspect of that. The back is a hair part. Look how cute that is. Isn't that awesome? I really like it. And I kept my makeup neutral because I was like, this is a crazy dress. And then to tie in the black, I kind of made it also edgier. Oh, I have concealer still on my hand. Well, whatever. I've got my Michael Kors watch, this crazy studded bracelet from Forever 21. This little ropey leather one from Forever 21, and this black one from Target, which ties into the black. And so that's how I paired my neon-y outfit. So it's chilling in Allie's room. No big deal. I'll tell you the cutest story ever. So Allie's little sister named Billy, and she's 3. You guys have probably seen her in her videos. So Sarah and I were sharing in the big bed, and Allie's sleeping in her smaller bed. And then Billy like comes in. I will say, like, what time do you think it was? Like early. It was 8. It was like 8 in the morning. Like Billy just comes in, like crawls in the bed and just slides in between Sarah and I. And like we're like, yeah, Billy, we're sleeping. She's like, okay. And she just like pretends to be asleep, and she just like lies there between us completely silently until Allie's mom was like trying to find Billy, and she finds her trying to pretend to be asleep between Sarah and I in the bed. It's the cutest thing ever. My neon dress is making the entire lighting so bad. Okay, so we are right now at Menchie's, and we got Sprinkles cupcakes because I'm getting ice cream. Menchie's. And then we saw walking into Sprinkles. Oh hey! It's Alexa and Carissa.
Hi.
Woo! And I never got to vlog either of them while I was at IMATS.
Oh, I got sad. All of you guys were in your vlog, so I wasn't in anyone's vlog.
No, there's nobody in my vlog.
For like 2 seconds.
I think I'm the only person in my vlog. I think it's me being like, so I'm going to IMATS, and I'm like, I'm done.
This.
Yeah, Sarah steals my camera. But yeah.
I saw your bum though. Your bum was in a vlog.
My butt was in a vlog?
Yep, your butt was in a vlog.
Cool.
It was like a bum, like a logo bum. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you zoomed in it.
You're like,
oh yeah. Good. Okay, well, say hi guys, and then say bye. Bye.
Hi guys.
You guys, somehow we got in the wrong area. We totally stumbled upon a gay like district or town area. Oh my God. Everything's rainbow, and
That literally sounds like so like we don't know what we're talking about.
No, there's like American Apparel is all like completely painted rainbow. Like there's rainbow flags everywhere. That made me really excited.
See, like look, it's right up there.
Cause like I love gay people, and I'm obsessed with gays, and I'm really sad I missed the San Francisco Gay Pride Parade, because I hate missing that, because all the more time I can rep my love of the gays is the better. But now that we've winded up here, I'm a really happy camper, because gays in me, I just love gays. Oh, and they put more flags.
Did you just say gay is in me?
No, I said gays and me, the best friends.
News, everyone. Megan Rosette is gay.
Oh my God. No, I'm not gay. Look at that. It's so exciting. Yay. Growing up in NorCal, Bay Area, gay people are my life. This makes me sound like I'm a lesbian. Really not, I swear. I like boys. Sorry. Billy, come say hi to YouTube. This is Allie's little sister. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to wave hi? No. You sound like you're so shy.